Great, a brilliant discussion that we are having. Let's continue with that. So in the beginning, we talked about customer basket size, and through data analytics, how can we increase your customer spending more in your retail outlets? And then we discussed about the frequency. It's not only the spending more, it's also coming frequently more to your business, and you do interaction with your customer more. And this time, we will discuss about customer retention. Okay, so I have clients. They have done almost everything when it comes to the marketing initiative. They send text SMS, they send WhatsApp. They sometimes communicate with their loyalty program, and also get the customer feedback and all sorts of things. But what eventually happens? Some customers do leave. This is the reality of the business that we are facing. Now, those customers who left, it's a very tricky question. That is there any way we can retain them back using the data analytics?
Yeah, so absolutely. So if you've lost your customer, you want to rescue them, right? So what you want to understand is why they came to you in the first place. So the people who have left you, you look at their data and you analyze it, okay? And what you do is you create an understanding of why they came to you in the first place. What was their motivation for wanting to use your services? Okay, and then you group them. Okay, so you group them into segments. So common segments that they share. So were these the people who came to you for the morning? If you're a coffee retailer, did they come for the morning coffee? Are these the people who came for the midday friends coffee? Are these the people who wanted to grab a coffee in the evening? What was their motivation for coming? Okay, and so then you group those customers into segments, and then what you do is you use that knowledge in your marketing to try and rescue them. Okay, so you might, because what may happen is that they may have come to you after work. So you're a coffee retailer, they came to you after work, nice to relax before they went home, maybe missed the traffic. But a new coffee shop opened. Yeah. And now they've gone over there.
More convenient.
Convenient, probably different, probably new. So so you know that's their behavior, that's their motivation for wanting to come with you. Yeah. How can you bring them back? Or if you're a supermarket, okay, you notice that people come on a Saturday morning, they did their shopping and they left. Okay, but suddenly now they're no longer there. What's happened? Is it because something's changed? Is there a new supermarket near where they are? Or is it because it's become more congested? Because you've become popular, you've become more busy. Okay, so how can you communicate with your customer? How can you reassure them that they will still get the service that they got when they first came with you? So the key, Afnan, is to talk to your clients and say to them, what data do you have about those customers? Yeah. Create customer segments and then use that insights from the customer segments of the customer intelligence to use in your marketing to rescue them.
Brilliant. So what we are talking about is the customer segmentation, is the data analytics tool we use for our clients so that the customer who left them already, and we can bring them back using that analysis. Is that correct?
That's correct.
That's absolutely brilliant. Thanks a lot, Shofo. And through this episode, we discussed about a range of data analytics tools that InfoHansive can use for your business to keep the customer with you, increasing their spending, to making sure the customer coming back, frequency is more often happens, to make sure you're retaining your customer proactively. We're using the churn model, and also in the end, we discuss about those customers who left. How can you bring them back using customer segmentation as a data analytics tool? Thank you so much for your time.
No problem, Afnan.
Thank you.